AARP slogan is real possibility, then these 6 should be up for AARP People of the Year. Who even knew this was possible? Police say the area was being publicized on the internet as an area for people to meet and have sex. Most of these people were over 50 before the internet was even invented. If you really wanted to lure 6 seniors, why not just put it on the back of a Metamucil box? Police also say they set up surveillance in the area and observed several violations. Really? Like what? Dentures being removed? The only crime committed here, in my opinion, is that an 85-year-old woman robbed the cradle. I mean, where'd the 62-year-old guy come from? He's not even collecting Social Security yet. Was he somebody's son? Did he drive everyone? Anyhow, I do think the officers deserve some kind of commendation, only because they were forced to do what none of us ever wants to do. Watch people who look like our naked grandma and grandpa hook up. Those arrested face charges ranging from breach of peace to public indecency. They were released on promises to appear in court, presumably with their clothes on. I'm Mike Wise.
Who could barely get through that, by the way.
He barely made it.
Keep it clean.
I'm not going to say a word.
You shouldn't.
No, there's just nothing. I do like that they always put it before topper. Just put it,
Now here's topper.
Now here's topper.
Talk about hot and steamy.
Yeah, well, we did it again today. Hit 90.
I was gonna
I got you there, didn't we? Yep.
You didn't get me.
I got you a little bit. Okay,
No,
so
you did not.
Yes, I did. Your eyes were like, what did he say? All right, so we hit 93 today. So it's our 50th 90-degree day. It's our 14th in August alone. We had 22 in July. We averaged 36. We had 42 last year. The record is 67. We don't want to touch the record. That was set back in 2010 and 1980. So we're going to add at least one more to that, though, tomorrow. I think tomorrow we're going to be probably in the low 90s again, 92. But then we go way down into the 70s to near 80 on Friday, around 80 Saturday, Sunday, and low 80s on Monday. I think the 76 may be a little bit low, but winds are going to turn northeast on Friday. That's more a function of clouds and showers combined with Canadian air mass heading our way. But tomorrow we still have to remember heat index at least 96 as we go through the 2, 3, 4 o'clock hour. I think it's going to be closer to 100 downtown. Okay, yeah, storm threats tomorrow. This is just, rinse and repeat here. Moderate for winds, damaging winds, moderate for hail. Very low for tornadoes, but still on the table. And also moderate for heavy downpours. The atmosphere is still tropical. Heavy rains are always a possibility with these storms. So here are the headlines. For tomorrow, yellow weather alert for strong to severe storms. I widened out the critical time a little bit, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Some of the models trying to do 2 rounds of storms. I don't know if the second round will get us, but we'll make it a wide berth. Yellow weather alert Friday, not for storms. Nope. Plain old-fashioned rain and showers. Temperatures primarily in the 70s. That's crazy. Okay, 6 o'clock in the morning. 76 downtown, maybe a sprinkling of upper 60s. 70 in Gaithersburg and 70 in Frederick. By mid-morning, we're already 81 downtown. By lunchtime, we're already 88 in D.C., 88 also in Manassas. And here come the showers and storms developing out to the west. As usual, this is 4 o'clock. Some showers right along I-81. Some of those are strong, some of those are hefty. This just updated on us. It takes these showers and storms south of us during the evening commute on Thursday. Temperature still around 90. But then we get into late tomorrow night at 10 o'clock. Here comes some more storms across the Maryland-PA border. This is that second line I was talking about. And this time, the computers are lagging it back. This is now 1:30 in the morning on Friday. That's a heavy storm in between Hagerstown and Frederick. That rolls through kind of along I-70 and is pretty much gone by 5 o'clock on Friday. And then we're just left with some rain and winds turn northeastward on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So some good news. I mean, cool air is still coming. The weekend still looks good. Yellow weather alert tomorrow, storms. Yellow weather alert Friday for light rain. And then nice on Saturday. Maybe some showers, maybe some clouds in the morning, but a nice day. Only 80, not humid. Low 80s on Sunday, also nice. Maybe a stray shower Sunday morning. Don't plan around it. I didn't put a drop here. Isolated storm on Tuesday, 88. Don't plan around that. And then some showers and storms next Wednesday. Guess what? We are back in the low 90s. All right, Mr. Haynes is up in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, covering South Riding in the Little League World Series. Dee.
What's going on, Topper? You know what? Not a good day for Loudoun South, but coming up in sports, I'll explain what Loudoun South